Sit up. Please. I'll teach you how to play the piano. Up. On the chair. Up. Up on the chair. And, oh, okay. I didn't mean your entire butt. Okay. Up onto the chair. That one there. Good boy. Can you pause up? That's it, that's it. Ooh. Yes, good boy. That was exactly what I wanted you to do. Come on up there. Pause up. Good boy. You touch. Place. Touch. Touch. You touch. Touch. Yes, good boy. Ready? Yes, good boy. Oh, fingers. Ready? Yes, good boy. Good boy. Play. Yes, good boy. Play the piano. Almost, you have to get your paws up there. Yes, good boy. Okay, you clever boy. Yes. Oh, my finger. I caught your teeth on your way down. Play the piano. Yeah, good boy. Can you play the piano? Oh, oops! Oh, so close! That was so clever! Go and play the piano. You ready? Play it. Oh, you gave up. Go and play the piano. Okay. You gonna play the piano for us? Oh, you clever boy! That's such a clever boy! Look at you! You're so clever! Can you play the piano? Yes, so good! Clever boy! You play again? Good boy! Oh, you're so clever! You got that so fast! Can you play the piano? Oh, careful your nose. Yes. Can you play the piano? Ready? Go play the piano. Go play the piano then. No, that's not it, is it? Go play the piano. Come on then, go play the piano for me. That doesn't work down there, does it? There's no keys. There's no keys down there. I mean, I know you're down there, but there's no piano keys down there. Yes, clever boy. Can you go play the piano for me? That was loud. Say Merry Christmas. Merry? Good boy. Christmas. That's so close. So clever boy. Merry Christmas. Say it. Christmas. Christmas. Say it. Back up. Back up a bit. Can you say Merry Christmas? Say Christmas. Okay. You're so cute. Can you say Happy Holidays? Happy Holidays. Say happy. Good boy. Say holidays. Yes, that was close. Good boy. Now can you say happy holidays? Happy holidays. Holidays. You were so close to the camera. Holidays. Good boy.